Andruw, as chairman of the National Baseball Hall of Fame, it is my honor to welcome you into the Hall of Fame family.
There's no easy way to get here from the small island of Curaçao, more than 2,000 miles away, but today Cooperstown and Kòrsou are forever joining together. Being the first Hall of Famer from my island is an incredible moment. That's why they make such a memorable day. I'm overjoyed to share this day with people from my homeland. So many people helped me get here, helped me get the journey of loving this game and make it here to the Major League. I want to send a special thank you to Ronnie Chirino and Ernst Mayer. They not make it here, but I want to send a shout out to them. Thank you for making me love the game. On the tip of the cap to Hansel Mullins, the first player to reach Major League for our island. Bam Bam opened the door for many others to chase their dream of being a professional. When I made it to Atlanta, I knew I could aspire others from Curaçao to reach Major League. To watch Ozzy Albies, Jerson Profart, Jonathan Scope, Anderson Simmons, Kenny Jensen, Jair Jurgen, Sedan Rafaela, Ivan Oncoffey, Randall Simon, Jurando de Castro, Sharon Martins, Roger Bernardina, Coco Baranti, and Sheridan Apostle. I'm so proud of you guys. Un isla tan chiquito como Kòrsou, con hope y talento, pa un Kòrsou, nací na Kòrsou, hay chance de llegar grandes ligas y así hazaña como así. Eu suporto gostando da minha área completa, me orgulhoso que você está aqui na água e Kòrsou sempre está adiante. Thank you. This moment is a bittersweet because my father, Andruw Jones, is not here today. Dad passed away 10 years ago. He showed me how to work hard and play for what it takes to become a successful baseball player and a great person. Because he played center field, I wanted to be a center fielder. And he passed down every bit of knowledge to the game to me, like how to read balls off the bat. He had me fly balls from foul pole to foul pole every time in Curaçao, so I can track balls down because the ocean breeze make tracking balls very difficult on the island. He also showed me how to build strong wrists by rolling a sledgehammer. Everything he taught me had a purpose. Andruw Jones was a legend in Curaçao, a great player in his own right. And I'm not standing here in Cooperstown without his constant coaching. Dad, we did it. I know you looking down at me now and with a big smile, and I love it. I love you very much.